You want to hear some weird sounds? Well, here you go, to people who want to. Listen and watch closely. There's your weird sounds. This is my first video, so I'm trying to make it weird. If you haven't noticed,